Mastering the melody of English. Sentence stress 101. Hello, language learners. Today, we're going to talk about an important aspect of English pronunciation, sentence stress. This is a crucial part of how English sounds, and mastering it will help you sound more like a native speaker. Don't worry, it might sound a bit tricky, but with practice, it'll become second nature. Ready? Let's dive right in. So, what exactly is sentence stress? It's all about which words we emphasize, or stress, in a sentence. In English, not all words are pronounced with the same importance. Some words are pronounced more loudly, more clearly, and for a longer duration than others. These are the words that carry the most meaning in a sentence, like nouns, main verbs, adjectives, and adverbs. On the other hand, function words, like prepositions, conjunctions, articles, and pronouns, are typically less stressed. They're more like the glue that holds the main ideas together. Let's move on to the exciting part: identifying stressed words in sentences. You can think of it like being a detective, but instead of solving crimes, you're solving pronunciation patterns. Let's take an example. She loves chocolate ice cream. In this sentence, loves and chocolate are stressed words because they carry the key information. Who is doing what and what they're doing it to. Don't worry if you don't catch it all at once. It takes practice. Try reading out sentences and exaggerating the stress on key words. Here's a good way to practice sentence stress. Take a text and underline the words you think should be stressed. Then, read the text aloud, emphasizing these words. Here's an example. Dogs are great pets. They're friendly, playful, and loyal. Can you hear how stressing these words makes the sentence come alive? Keep practicing this, and you'll start doing it automatically in your daily conversations. That's a wrap on today's lesson on sentence stress. Remember, mastering stress is all about practice. Keep identifying and emphasizing stressed words in sentences, and soon you'll be sounding more natural in your spoken English. Thank you for joining me today, and as always, happy learning. Keep practicing and stay curious about the beautiful intricacies of the English language.